Ta, 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 ta. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time coming across my channel, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that anytime I upload, you will be the first to notify. It's your girl, one and only African first lady. Okay. So guys, today we are talking my topic. Just click down the link, you see what I'm talking about today. Okay. So guys, I know that has been long I came on live. I'm so sorry because I am so busy. Your girl is so busy. So but guys, don't worry, soon I will be there with you guys off and off, and you guys will be seeing me all the time. Yeah, although you guys are not seeing my video from now, but I do upload things that is happening. We do talk things, you know. Now if we will not carry the news, we want a waka. So guys, today we are talking about our Nigerian politicians. Yeah, I came across something that I see that I doesn't like. I said, let me address this issue. Okay, so my lovely people, what did I say? It shut my mouth, but I'm not gripping my mouth shut. I decided to open it and talk. Yes, if you not talk, you're not go good though. Yes, you need to talk. Now your country, you need to talk. Yes. So my people, the election what they want to do, I surprised to see say the best slippers, they buy Oludo for this election. What did they want to use Oludo and slippers do? They share Oludo and slippers, give people for what? I don't really understand. May they use the Oludo to play their destiny scatter. Then may they use the slippers to waka come for the country. Is that what it mean? I don't really know. I don't understand. Now what it mean? I think so, because for me, I beg, this topic that I just bring down, I know I won't take much of you guys' time. I'm just going like, it's a short video anyway, but I just want to address this issue. Yes, election day, they want to do election, they go buy slippers and Oludo. Slippers and Oludo, my people. Now the year what I did. Now the year what I did talk so slippers and Oludo, me they share, me they play their destiny scatter, me they use the slippers say waka come for the country. No, by the way, wetin Nigeria they become? Nigeria, me I not understand wetin that country they become. That country deserve to sell. Oh, it deserve to sell. Yes, it deserve to sell. I do video before. I talk and say me they sell that country. It's so far away that country they smell. It dey smell. Don't be say go come. It dey smell. Like, I don't really understand. Just see how Nigeria be. I don't just understand people they rule that country at all. That country is not big. If I dey hear that name Nigeria, I don't just know. Now the name what they give, I mean that the name they kill that country. May they change the name now. May they change May they change the name. See election day, and now that election, so they do. They'll go put person where they're not supposed to put for post. They'll go put them for the post. They'll say, "Nah, we hey." They'll go that day. They do all those that wayo things. We not make sense. Old people go there for they'll go put old people for seats. Me they call they rule young people where be saying young people where they go school. They get brain. When they educated, they did that country. They not let them rule the country. They say now old people, my grandpapa age, now they want to rule the country. Now they won't rule the country. Or as they rule the country, so as the country like frustrates. Frustration follow the lie. It follow the country. It follow that country that they call Nigeria. So they carry frustration till they follow people. See people for street, see mother, see country where you come for, you will be the citizen of the country. See they can't suffer where you go, they suffer for your whole country again. You not even get voice for that country. If you not get money, you not be human being. Now people when they get money, now they know. People when they get money, now they know. My people, I beg, if I talk like this, the thing they annoy me, because that country, I not just understand them at all. You not get use. It's not, you know, yours get used. They should say that country. That name Nigeria, they confuse people. They say the country, and also they borrow money up and down, but not your money where they shock it they had. Does still come another country, they still go they borrow money, Still go they borrow money. Is that life? What kind of country is that? Country not get you not get name. You not get name. Oh. That country, you not get name. Election day, I still they talk. Election day, my brother, my sister, they go buy slippers and oludo. God forbid party. I reject all those people. That one not life. That one not be life. Oh. Hey. So my people, this topic, now here I go for end. I know because I don't want to make this video too long. I just short video. The till when I seen that they rubbish to me. So now me say me I can't address this issue. Okay. So please, if you have not subscribed on my channel, try and subscribe and let's be family. Okay, let's be family and always share my video. God bless you for those who have been watching my video, sharing my video. I'm seeing your amazing comments. God bless you all. Okay, I love you all, guys. As I said before, don't worry. Soon you guys will be seeing me more and more because this time I'm so busy. You know, as a mother, you know, I have to do some things. You know now. I have to do more than work. So guys, I appreciate you all, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your comment down below. Okay, love you all, and I'll see you on my next video, and bye bye.